Right, so let's have a look how we put this marquee together, okay? Now this is your die collection. Now in there you've got versatile edges, you've got panels that you can keep in, you've also got your main construction die as well. Now I have to say this box is so sweet. So when I remove this, you're going to see a lot of the different components that we've already cut out. So here we've got loads and loads of different panels because I just want to go through different things that you can do before we construct, okay? So your main box is made out of 2 of those beautiful panels. You're going to get those out of 1 sheet of cardstock. You've then got 2 different edges. You've got a scallop and you've also got a straight edge. Now these are all verso dies, so you've got that beautiful detail in there. You have got detail that's got the little chevrons on. You've got detail that's got all the beautiful flowers on there as well. So you can go masculine, you can go feminine, but you don't have to put any detail on there. You could keep them completely blank and put your own inspiration on there. But this is the box, as I say, these are the panels, but the verso edges allow you to cut in as well, okay? So you can get the beautiful detail within your box front. So maybe if you've got something smelly inside there, you know, like some pot puree or, you know, different things so you'll be able to see through, whether you want to put a tea light in there as well. So you can make them into little lantern boxes. So you can keep the detail in there, but you can also cut the detail out. So looking at these little panels here, you can see I've taken the little pink one and I've cut them into the panels. Now when you stick them together, let's do the Jodie tidy up, you're gonna get panels that look like this, okay? So you've got your colour popping out from behind, and we're gonna put those panels onto our boxes. Now as I say, these boxes are so easy, you can't go wrong. So your die cut side by side, we're going to take some high tack and we're just going to place the high tack down that end panel. We're going to chop it off and we're going to do the same on the other side and chop that one off. So all you're going to do is take the tape away and stick one over the top of the other. Now these are a lot easier to decorate when they're flat, as are all our boxes, okay? So these long panels are going to slide and stick onto the tops. Now this could be blue, it could be pink, it could be purple, it could be whatever colour you want. As I say, if you're doing jewellery making, you may want to put an acetate window in there so you can see your jewellery popping through. Maybe you want to put handmade chocolates in there as a little present. Maybe you want to put a business address on. Maybe if you do sell your handmade chocolates, you want to put the little warning on there, you know, contains nuts or gluten free or whatever else. Let's place that one onto there. And then the last one onto there. So just give those a little minute to stick down, but you have got all your score lines already in there, and this is one of the bonuses with Tonic's dies. There is no messing about. There's no having to measure, getting your scoreboards out. They do all the hard work for you. So just going round, folding in all those little edges, including your glue tab. Take the tape away and just bring it straight over the top of its friend, and that is the beginning of your box. You're going to fold the bottoms in, okay, so they're all folded. So I like to go end, end and over, and then we can stick that one down. So that's going to stick straight over the top there. And then looking at the top, can you see how we've got some little slits in the top there? Now that's where you're going to put your ribbons, okay? So I've got my ribbon here, look. So all we're going to do is we pull one forward, one back, and you literally slide in your ribbon through those little holes just pull one forward, one back, slide it through, all the way through to the front. And what you are going to end up with is all your tie at the front. Just pull it tight like so, and then you can put your little bow on the front like so. Come on, Mr. Ribbon. And there you have your marquee box. Now, what colour is yours going to be? See you later. For more tutorials and inspiration and those mojo kicks, go on and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find loads more.